Hello and welcome to Cadence Taylor Beauty's channel. In this video, you will see a demonstration of our Whip Appeal Curl Cream, which is a vegan and organic curl cream that is used for curly hair. It's also used as a hair mask. But in this particular video, we are two-strand twisting hair that's curly. As you can see, the definition in her curls even before we started twisting her hair. Now the products that are on her hair, let's go from what we started with. We shampooed her hair with So Fresh and So Clean shampoo, and then we conditioned her hair with It Feels Good conditioner, which is also a conditioner, a pre-shampoo detangler, and a leave-in. And some that have extra coarse hair also use it as a styler. That's the only thing they use. That and raindrops to twist their hair. So in her hair, I used a little bit of It's So Easy, which is also a conditioner and a leave-in. I used a little bit of that as her leave-in and a little bit of Damage Repair Oil. Then I went over it with Whip Appeal Curl Cream. I love Whip Appeal Curl Cream because it's so light. It's so moisturizing. It's easy to detangle, and it gives lots of definition for a very, very long time. So if you'd like to try any of the products that I've mentioned, we have sample sets available for you. So you can make a decision on if you feel like this works for your hair. But all of our products are concentrated, so you need more water than product. And it's like that because the product ingredients are very quality. So you don't need a whole lot of it, and we want to save you money, and we want to keep you healthy with the quality of our ingredients. There are no synthetic fragrances or ingredients in any of our products. So as you can see, it'll leave your hair really shiny and defined. It will combat frizz because moisturized hair does not frizz as easily. And if you want to give us a try, you really should give us a try. Like I said, we have sample sets. I'll leave the website in the description. But subscribe to our channel so you can see more of our hair demonstrations and learn more about our products.